Cuts in the state budget now causing concern in the classroom. A program designed to help educators point out early warning signs in a student of distress taking a financial hit. Parker Tully explains what happens now.
The Mental Health Association in New York State had helped to pass legislation in 2016 that would implement mental health education into schools.
And New York State became the first state in the country to mandate that mental health be part of curriculums in schools. We are still the only state in the country that has this mandate. We were able to work with the legislature to get the legislation passed, ultimately signed by Governor Cuomo.
It took 2 years of educating the public before receiving funding totaling $1 million in July of 2018. Those funds were dedicated to creating programs to help teachers spot early signs of mental health issues, which are utilized by New Hartford, Whitesboro, BOCES, and Utica schools.
Basic signs and symptoms about a mental health issue is a student all of a sudden was very active, becomes very withdrawn, and just paying more attention to that, but also sort of a culture about how do we create a better environment in our school around mental health.
However, the funding for trainings has been cut in half by the state's budget. The changes that are coming to the programs are still being discussed.
I think we have been clear, our whole team is very clear that it's about the students and the youth, and we're going to do everything in our power to make sure that they continue to get the mental health education that they need.
Although the cut could impact training schedules and resource allocation, the Mental Health Association will continue to educate about mental health based on changing needs expressed by both teachers and students.
And there's no way in the world we've come so far that we're going to in any way negatively impact students. We will continue to figure out how we can do what we can to help students and create this environment around mental health.
In Utica, Parker Tully, Eyewitness News.